Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at similar triangles. So two triangles are similar if they have the same shape. Then all of the corresponding angles are the same and the corresponding lengths are proportional. So what we have here is triangle ABC being similar. This is the icon that we use for similar here, and DEF like that. So triangle ABC similar to DEF. And so A and D, angles AD are the same. B and E are the same, and angles C and F are the same. And so also, sides being proportional, what does that mean? That means A divided by D is the same as B divided by E, is the same as C divided by F, like that. So the sides are proportional. And so if we can determine that two triangles are similar, we can then use the sides being proportional to solve problems. So here's an example, example 1. We have two triangles here, 7 and 8, like that, the smaller triangle. And then the larger triangle, like that, 10 and 8 plus x, like that. And now, since these sides are parallel, we remember from our grade 8 math, or grade 9, that this angle here is going to be the same as this angle because they're parallel. And then this angle beta will be the same as that. And then gamma is a shared angle between both of those triangles. So we have triangle 7, 8 here being similar to triangle, the big one here, 10 and 8 plus x. And so since the sides are proportional, 7 divided by 10 is equal to 8 divided by 8 plus x, like that. And we can flip both sides like this, right? So we have 10 over 7 equals 8 plus x over 8. Right, just to recall why, 1/2 equals 2/4. This is the same as 2 over 1 equals 4 over 2. Right, we saw this in our grade 8 proportions videos. And so what we have now is times 8 to both sides because we want to get x on its own. So we get 80 over 7 equals 8 plus x. We're going to go minus 8 to both sides, and so x equals 80 over 7 minus 8. We're going to put a common denominator of 7 here. So 80 minus 56 gives 24 over 7. And so that is the value of our x. Example number 2. So we have this triangle and this triangle here. We notice that this angle is the same and this angle is the same. Therefore, this other third angle is the same. So they are similar due to having the same angles. And so we have x over 9 is equal to 4 over 5, like that. So we're going to go times 9 to both sides, and so x equals 36 over 5, which is 7.2. And so the value of our x here is 7.2. Okay, example number 3. So this is one triangle, this big one here like this. All right, so x and then this length is 12, so that's our big triangle. Our other triangle is like this. So we see one of the sides is 4, and opposite of the 90 is the hypotenuse, so that's x, like that. Opposite of the 90, this is our x as such. And so we notice that the two triangles here share this angle of alpha as well as 90 degrees. And so the angles are the same for all three, so the two triangles are similar. So what we have here is 4 over x equals x over 12, like that. So now we're going to go times x to both sides. So we got 4 equals x squared over 12. Times 12 to both sides. So we got 48 equals x squared, like that. Square root both sides, taking only the positive value of plus or minus, right? Because we only have positive lengths here. And so x equals root 48. And so that's approximately 6.93. So x is approximately 6.93. Okay, time for some practice. Okay, practice number 1. Determine the value of x. So here we have two triangles like that, and here we have two triangles like that. Determine the value of x for both. So go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So what do we have here for A? So we notice that this angle is the same as this angle is the same as that angle, like that. So the small triangle is 4x, and the larger triangle is 6x plus 3. And they are similar because they have the shared angles. So we have 4 over 6 equals x over x plus 3, like that. So we're going to go times x plus 3 to both sides, which gives us this. And now we're going to go times 6 to both sides. And so now we have 4 times x plus 3 equals 6x. We're going to distribute here. So we have 4x plus 12 equals 6x. We're going to put all the x's on the right side. So we're going to go minus 4x to both sides. So we got 2x equals 12. Divide by 2 on both sides. And so we have x equals 6 as our final answer. B. So our first triangle is 3 and 2 plus x, like that. So that's this triangle here. The other smaller triangle is like this, where we have side 2 and hypotenuse 3, like that. So hypotenuse 3, side 2. And we notice that they both share the same common angle there, as well as each having 90 degrees. And so they have similar angles, same angles like that. So the two triangles are similar. So we have 3 over 2. Yeah, 3 over 2 equals x plus 2 over 3, like that. So we're going to go times 3 on both sides. So x plus 2 equals 9 over 2. We're going to go minus 2 to both sides. So x equals 9 over 2 minus 2, like that. Common denominator, 2 over 2 as such. So 9 half minus 4 half gives 5 halves, like that. So x equals 5 over 2. And that's it. It's that simple. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.